machines. Clock on the wall keeps asking, who have you been? Handshake, pages in stacks, every mistake like a mirror thrown at my back. I used to rush past every warning, call it fate and keep on falling, but something in this silence says, begin again. This is my restoration.